This is the duck flower, and there again I mentioned there is a serious demand for it online. Hey, well, it's here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is a little bit different, but I think you're gonna like it. A few days ago, a friend of mine and ardent subscriber, Natasha, reached out to me asking about a particular plant. Actually a flower. The duck flower. Duck flower. Now, I had no idea what that was, outside of the fact that it had some medicinal value. By the way, as much as you learn a lot from me through my videos and my articles on my website, trust me, I learn a lot more from you guys, my website audience. But anyway, back to the duck. I went online, did some research, and found some amazing things about the duck flower, including the fact that Dr. Sebi, world-renowned herbalist, vouched for its effectiveness as probably one of the most powerful products to detox the body. But believe me, just I think a day or two after Natasha and I spoke, I was actually visiting a friend in the hills, and lo and behold, right on the side of the road was the duck flower. Coincidence? Interesting, right? But anyway, I'm not a horticulturist, I'm not a doctor, neither am I a herbalist. But I did a bit of reading and was fascinated by what I read. I'm going to share a bit of that with you right now. Stay tuned. Remember though, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way, you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Alright guys, so again, this is a duck flower. I just picked it off the stem right here. You'll notice it grows on a vine, just like what we typically call a whiff, right? A regular looking vine, and it grows and it hangs down like that. It has a strong odor. They actually said it, and I just let me smell. It does have a nasty odor as well if you smell it, right? But then again, they say, well, it's the best stuff. The medicine stuff is always not the best tasting one either, right? Neither is it smelling. Anyway, what are the benefits of the duck flower? It's a cleanse the body of excess mucus, remove excess waste and parasites from the intestines, reduce bloating, increase energy and vitality, increase mental clarity, as well as to stimulate weight loss. All right, duck flower. All right, how is it taken? Now, my understanding is that it basically you take one duck as a dose. All right, so this would be a dose, one single duck they call it. It should be eaten like lettuce, just eat as it is. But in many cases, or most cases, people will actually dry it, especially when you have to transport it or ship it. They actually dry it or dehydrate it, and then whenever you're ready to use it, you rehydrate it with water, and then just chew it. So you basically just chew it like you would chew regular vegetable, and eat it. You need though to dedicate 4 to 8 hours of your time away from any other activity because it is likely to cause vomiting and diarrhea. Most people who actually use it attest to the fact that they have vomiting. Not everybody with diarrhea, but almost everybody who, when I checked online, who actually had it, reported having vomiting. But at the end of it, they indicate that they feel much better, renewed vitality, more energy, and sleep well. So again, I'm no doctor, I'm no herbalist. I'm just sharing the information I found online with you. I was fascinated by it because I love the look of it. Quite beautiful, right? Quite beautiful. Yes. So I thought you would be interested in that information. Again, this is what the vine looks like. It grows wild, mostly in cool areas, usually along water, streams and riverbanks and so forth. Alright, so I thought I'd share it with you. Let me see if I can find another one to share with you. This, okay, so here's another one. This one is a younger one, so it's not quite open yet. But there you go. Here's another one, not quite open as yet. The duck flower. They're pretty rare. They're pretty rare. You won't find it everywhere, but again, in cooler climates, are usually on the banks, on the side of banks. Here again is another one, and I'm going to show you a few more on the top of the tree there. I don't know if you can see it from here. Look up, quite a few there. I'm lucky to find so much this time because they're quite rare. Here's another one here, over here, over here. All right, quite interesting. I would love to hear from you. What do you think about it? The duck flower, potent detoxifier, and supposedly the stuff that's gonna make you get the best of you. All right, so that's it. I'd love to hear from you. Share a comment down below on what your thoughts are and what you think about this particular flower. All right, that's a duck flower. It can be, it's actually grounded as well, I heard, and taken as capsules as well. All right, so there are many ways to use it, but that's it, the duck flower. One more thing, guys, you need to, if and when you take it, you need to ensure that you drink a lot of liquids. Apparently that's the information that I garnered online. A lot of liquids, including coconut water and fresh water as well. All right, and one last thing, it's for adults only. My daughter would say it's for grown-ups, so it's for adults only, and persons who are breastfeeding or pregnant also need not take that. By the way, this is dog. This is another plant here, interesting. So thanks for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. This is indeed the real Jamaica.